Assalamualaikum, dear viewers. This is Mohammed with you from Ibex Lighting Solution, Muscat. Today we introduce you Vision Series Ultra Thin Magnetic Lighting System, which is 6.7 mm ultra slim, multiple options for connection, minimalist design, easy installation with surface mounted tray, integrated power supply with simple LN wiring connection, special design node which can swing in horizontal, safety design with extra fastener, ultra slim power supply, AC input, DC output, tray with various kind of colors. It's suitable for especially for commercial area, for offices, and for villas also we will use.